Hello my friends, today is January 17th, 2015 and today another video about my Dyson, the Dyson DC65. Today it is all about what can you do when the Dyson sucks. I mean, when the Dyson doesn't suck anymore. I'm a little bit confused now. I apologize. English is not my first language. What I mean is, the Dyson is supposed to suck, but when it doesn't suck anymore, it sucks, okay? Okay, just make it clear. So, the Dyson doesn't work anymore, right? What can you do in order to make it work better, to restore it to its full glory again? Well, there are three things you can do about it. Yeah, here are two filters built in and the beta bar. These are usually the culprits when the Dyson doesn't work anymore, right? One filter is here in this canister and one filter is located here on this side of the ball. Yeah, and in order to restore it to its old glory, you have to clean the filters and the beta bar. So how to get to the canister filter? Just please take off the canister, just like that, as if you would just empty it out. And you can see here on the side, every 3 months. Try to clean it every 3 months, the filter. How do you get to this filter? There is this little blue knob. Yeah, you just lift up this knob and yep, there it is. And here you can see the filter. Yeah, it's a cone-shaped thingy. Yeah, you just pull it out. Whoop, there it is. Well, mine is still pretty clean. Yeah, maybe needs some shaking out of the dust, but that's basically it. But when there is heavier debris on it, please remove the debris first. Yeah, and throw it into the trash, not in your sink. And wash the filter here, and please, after you wash this filter, let it dry for 24 hours. Very important, 24 hours. And then you put it back, yeah? You put it back here into this little thing, click, and close it. Whoop, you see, all done. Very easy. So, as I mentioned, here is a second filter in the Dyson. And this second filter is hidden behind this part of the ball. And it's very easy to get to. Just lay the machine on the side and counterclockwise turn this blue knob here, which I will show you right now how to do it. Alright, now let's take it off. You just screw it off like this. Turn it, turn it, turn it. Ah, it's loose. And voila, there it is. This is the inside of the ball, and here is another filter. Looks like a flying saucer. So let's see, in order to get this filter out, very easy. You see those two arrows here, they always must match in order to make it work, but now we want to take it out counterclockwise. Yeah, you turn it, you turn it, supposed to turn. Ah, there it is. Took a little bit action. And here it is. Yeah, this filter is a little bit dusty. Yeah, you turn it around. Yeah, it's a little bit dusty. Yeah, this filter you also please wash under the water. Yeah, don't exert any physical force. Just let the water run through it. Shake it a little bit and do that about 10 times, and when you're done, please let it dry for 24 hours. Very important. Also the other filter, 24 hours. Please let it dry for 24 hours. I cannot put too much emphasis on that. Yeah, so this filter is not that bad, and what I will do is I will just go outside and shake out the dust a little bit. This should do the trick. Okay, I'm back. And well, I was shaking out the dust a little bit, but to be honest, there was not much. It's great, but as I said, this machine is 10 months old and barely any dust. And I used it a lot, really a lot. Okay, so let's put it back. Yeah, let's just align it somehow. And yes, it's down, and now clockwise. Whoop, those two arrows, they must align. And then we just take this globe. Yeah, this globe is from the inside, the outside globe, inside globe. Also not dirty. Let's just put it back, and this is a little bit tricky because the screw is a little bit slanted. So, up, got it. Yeah, you just close it up like that, and please, nice and tight. You don't want to lose a wheel, the globe, while you are vacuuming. Okay, yep, that's it. I love my Dyson. It's a great toy. So the next point which can cause your Dyson not to suck anymore, I mean that it starts to suck. Okay, we had this joke before, I know, I apologize, I could not resist. Okay, so yeah, please also check your beta bar. Yeah, when there's debris in it, when there's hair stuck, yeah, it can really slow down the performance. And yeah, here you see lots of hair and more hair. Yeah, well, yeah, just make sure that your wonderful beta bar is clean. Damn it, it's a lot of hair here. All right, so yep, so yeah, get rid of all the stuff, make it that it can spin freely for full power. Okay, so my friends, this was basically it. Yeah, cleaning a Dyson DC65 is very easy, really easy. Yeah, first take out the filter here from the dust can and clean it, wash it if needed. Then take out the filter here, clean it, wash it if needed. Let them both 24 hours dry, put them back, and please don't forget the beta bar here. Usually some debris gets stuck, hair, other stuff, any stuff. Yeah, and clean it. That's it. Yeah, very maintenance friendly. So, and just to finish it up, put the dust canister back with a click. There's the click. Wonderful. Yeah, friends, I like this Dyson very much. It's a great vacuum cleaner. Yeah, it's low maintenance, high performance, and in the last 10 months has never failed me. Yeah, I can only recommend it. Okay, well friends, this was my Dyson video. Please look out for my next video sometimes in the future. I hope in the near future. Have a wonderful and great weekend. Okay, bye bye. Love it. Dyson.